As you guys can see from that intro, we got in a package from QVO Tactical. A couple of weeks ago, I was scrolling on IG, and Roger posted a 3D prototype to his story. My FN has a version of something similar, but now the Bull Armory will have one too. What am I talking about? The QVO Tactical Thumb Cliff for the TLR7. Designed to be used with the TLR7A, 7X, and the new HLX, but will not work with the sub models. Let's see what all comes in this package. It's made from a nylon 12 material. It's offered in left and right hand versions. The only con I can see is that you have to modify your holster. Good thing is QVO has videos on their IG on how to make a channel for the thumb clip. Or if you order the holster through them, they can make the channel for you. Just select all your options, hit checkout. In the billing details menu at the very bottom, you'll see a field box for notes. First things first, for YouTube, no magazine. Chamber's empty, pointing in a safe direction. Now let's remove the light. The thumb clip's just going to sandwich in between your light and the pistol. I need to change out the key. So I'm going to unscrew it all the way. I now have the right key. I'm just going to drop it into place. Even though this is cranked down all the way, hopefully the camera picks it up. Maybe my sausage fingers are in the way, but you could see that little bit of wiggle. That's exactly what these foam pieces are for. Let's throw them on and see if that helps. Is it me, or is it like the backing always so extremely difficult to take off? I've already bent up this side, ripped off half the foam, this side too. Alright, guess this side came off clean. This one we were able to get on the first try. Now let me put it on the backing. I was gonna trim it, but I just looped it around. Adding the foam made the thumb cliff way more solid. Now with the thumb cliff installed, let's try out the fitment with the QVO Wingman holster. You still get that audible click. And I haven't done anything to it, no modifications. This is exactly how it came out of the packaging. I haven't even adjusted the retention screws. Now we need to see how well the thumb cliff works, but that'll be for another video. At the time of recording, it's Thanksgiving weekend, so I want to spend the time with my family. The range video is most likely going to be a short, so make sure you're subscribed so you can see the thumb cliff in action. As always, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.